smartphone transformed into a compact, all-in-one workstation. The cyberdeck community is known for imaginative and unconventional builds, but a recent project has gained attention for taking a refreshingly practical approach. A modder known as high-tech, low-life has developed a clamshell-style cyberdeck that transforms an ordinary smartphone into a compact, all-in-one workstation without relying on a traditional single-board computer. Shared on Reddit and detailed further on YouTube, the device is not a standalone computer. Instead, it is a custom-built enclosure designed to enhance a smartphone by adding the components that phones typically lack. These include a physical keyboard, powerful external speakers, expanded connectivity, and improved ergonomics, all packaged into a portable form factor. As the creator succinctly explained, the project took significant time to complete, but delivers a wide range of useful features. Visually and functionally, the design draws inspiration from the Atari portfolio. The early palm-top computer famously featured in Terminator 2, the cyberdeck opens to a full 180 degrees, creating a small laptop-like experience. For durability, the builder repurposed classic ThinkPad hinges, while custom mounts designed in Fusion 360 secure the smartphone using magnets. This approach allows users to easily swap phones without rebuilding the entire device. Audio performance is one of the standout aspects of the build. The cyberdeck houses dual 5-watt stereo speakers powered by a Bluetooth amplifier. According to the creator, the sound quality and volume far exceed what most smartphones can produce on their own, making the setup suitable for watching videos, listening to music, or handling light media work. User input is handled through a compact tactical keyboard equipped with an integrated touchpad, enabling full navigation without relying on the phone's touchscreen. This setup makes the device far more comfortable for extended typing or productivity tasks. Power is supplied by a 10,000 mAh battery pack, while a built-in USB-C hub expands connectivity for peripherals and accessories. The cyberdeck also includes several thoughtful design touches. Flip-out feet improve stability on uneven surfaces, and a side-mounted carry handle enhances portability. These details reinforce the project's emphasis on real-world usability rather than purely aesthetic experimentation. In a video breakdown, the modder described the goal as merging a computer, keyboard, speaker system, battery, and USB hub into a single portable unit. The result is a compelling example of what modern cyberdecks can achieve, demonstrating that with creativity and careful design, a smartphone can become a genuinely capable mobile workstation.